They serve as the eyes and ears of the federal courts. A workforce of 5,000 individuals, post-conviction supervision officers are change agents committed to enhancing public safety and rehabilitation. Equipped, trained, and busier than ever, these officers are on the front line, assisting individuals ordered to a term of supervised release.
I was very interested in criminal justice. I thought I would go into like traditional law enforcement, which I did for a while. But the longer I was in school, the more I realized like this rehabilitation component of the justice system it's very challenging, it's very interesting, it's also very rewarding.
If punishment alone worked, our prison system would be empty, but it's quite opposite, right? And that there is this critical place of, yeah, there is a place for punitive sanctions, but then what? When that person releases, what's going to happen after that? And that's where we come in.
So at some point, they have to live amongst society, but you can't just remove somebody from a custodial environment and have them have 20 to 30 years of destructive thinking or decision making, and then just plop them in the community and just say, hopefully you're going to make good decisions. It just doesn't work like that.
Essentially, after someone has been convicted of a federal crime, they are released on a term of supervised release. Essentially, it's very similar to parole. There are typically conditions that the judge orders that they must follow. Part of my role as their probation officer is to ensure that they do follow those conditions, and if they do not follow those conditions, I notify the court, advise them of any non-compliance that they committed while on supervision.
We have people that have real serious problems, whether it's drug addiction, mental health issues. Some of them have severe trauma that they're overcoming, and so we have the resources, and we need to apply those resources to the people that are under our supervision.
I've supervised lawyers, I've supervised hardcore gang members, and unfortunately that human element is there, so the way we kind of work with these individuals is the same.
Yeah, I really try to make sure that role clarification comes through, and so they know what exactly my role is, what their role is, and that I am just there to assist them, and try to make it real casual, build that rapport just from the first relationship. Know that they can call me if they need anything, they can text me, whatever they need, I'm there to support them.
Listen, you're on supervision for the next 3 years, and I'm not talking about you staying clean for the next 3 years. Let's stay clean for this week, and let's build on that. Maybe get to this month and maybe next month. Yes, those incremental steps are important, and not only the incremental steps are important, the incremental wins are important, right? So celebrating those wins, the fact that someone got a job for the first time in their life, are some of the greatest conversations I ever had.
If you don't have empathy or compassion, this is probably not a career you want to pursue. But if you're a person that wants to have an impact on others, on the community, and you just have a big heart, this is a great career. It offers all those things.